Hi friends, today we're going to be working on how to log on to Clever. Clever is a really important resource that you're going to be using all year. All you have to do is log on to Clever one time and then all of the different apps that you use are going to open up. So you're going to see STMath, Lexia, Google Classroom all in one place. So today I'm going to show you how to log on to Clever from one of our friends' perspectives, and then I'm going to log in to Google Classroom from there and walk you through how to upload a document. So let's begin. On your computer, you might have a bookmark right here that would open up. I am going to look up clever.com/in like this, and then KIPP, Texas. From there, it's going to look like this. Now, I'm going to log in with Google, but I want to make sure that when I click login with Google, I'm logging in with one of the students' accounts instead of my account. So I'm going to click this, and it looks like I need to add another account. So I'm going to just add an account, and I'm going to add in Navian's account. And you can find this because the district has sent it out to you. And if you don't know what your child's username or email is, then you can reach out to your teacher, your homeroom teacher, and they have all that information for you. Now that I've typed in his email, I'm going to type in the password. Now the password has been shared with you on Dojo, and your homeroom teacher has it too. I can't put the password here on this video in the same place that I have Navian's email address, but everybody's password is exactly the same. So whenever you have your email address, you can look on Dojo, and that is the password for Clever. Now I'm going to save this, pretending that I'm Navian, and right here you're going to see all your different apps. So we're going to have STMath, Lexia, and some other things on here. Today I want to show you Google Classroom. So I'm going to open up Google Classroom here. And you can see right away, let me just make sure that I'm on Navian's and not Miss McIntyre. There we go. Now I'm on Navian's, and I can tell right here because it says an in. So you should only be logged on to your Google Classroom. So if you're Navian, you should only be on Navian's username. Now I'm going to click Navian's class, which is he is a bulldog. And this is already set up for you. So all you have to do is accept that this is your classroom. And then you can see right here on the stream. Now the stream is where your teacher is going to put some important information. And you can also comment on some different things that your teachers post for you. So the way that your classes are going to go is you're going to go to classwork here. We've got our topics, and the topics are going to be for the days. So I just made one up to show you guys this video right here. So this is just today, Tuesday, and it's going to be each day. Then you're going to have your assignments, and you're going to have a math assignment, phonics, writing, and reading. And then you're going to have your live community circle. So I can click into this assignment here. I'm going to click View Assignment. Okay. Got it. And I'm going to look at the assignment. It says, take a screenshot on your computer and upload it here to test out Google Classroom. You can also leave a comment. So if I'm Navian, I can leave a comment like, hi, Miss McIntyre, cool assignment. And then I can click here to post it. You can also leave a private comment just for Miss McIntyre if you have a question. So you can say, I have a question, and my question is, and you can post that here. Now, if I want to add something to this, like if I want to take a screenshot and upload it, I can take a screenshot on my computer. So I'm going to do that on mine. It looks a little bit different on yours. And whenever you need to take a screenshot, it's going to be, the directions are going to be in the assignment because everybody's computer is a little bit different than Miss McIntyre's computer, but you're going to press two buttons. That'll be the screenshot. Let me do mine really quickly. So your screenshot should have popped up in the bottom of your screen once you've clicked it for your computer. And then I can click Add or Create right here. And I can either add from my Google Drive if it's something that you're doing on your computer, or I'm going to actually add the file that I just saved as a download. my screenshot. So then I'm going to wait until my downloads come up. And I'm going to go to upload here. And then I can either browse my documents, like right here. I'm going to go to my downloads. And I'm going to click screenshot. Once it's uploaded, I can see that I showed it right here as an image. Okay, and once I've done that, I can turn it in. And then I've done my work. So now I can go back to my regular classroom, and I can see right here where it says upcoming work, no work is due soon. And that's because I already completed this one classwork here. All right, that's about it. If you guys have any other questions, please let us know.